Good day everyone, I'm Emerson Beltran and ngayon papakita ko yung pag-trace ng floor plan dun sa tracing paper. And ang aking kasama si Melvin Apuro is ginagawa yung format. So siya yung nag-handwritten para dun sa papel na kailangan para dun sa floor plan natin. So let's start! This is our floor plan, bungalow house floor plan. So we have 6 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we have here our living area, then kitchen and our dining area. So each rooms meron silang aircon. So sa ating bedroom number 1, yung gamit natin aircon is split type. So yung area natin is 15 feet by 13 feet and yung height natin is 8 feet. Sa ating computation, using yung app, meron tayong app na gamit pang compute ng BTU. Yung lumabas is 5,616 and divided by 9,000. So yung lumabas is 0.624. So dahil walang ganitong available na horsepower, so ang gamit natin is yung 0.75 horsepower yung gamit natin. Hindi na siya pwedeng 0.5 kasi mataas na siya. So ang gamit natin is 0. So ang gamit natin is 0.5. Then sa ating bedroom number 2, gamit pa din natin is split type. Ang ating area naman is 14 feet by 10 feet by 8 feet. Ang ating computation is 4,032 BTU divided by 9,000 is equal to 0.448. So ang ating gamit na horsepower is 0.5 horsepower. Then sa ating bedroom number 3, split type pa rin. Area natin is 14 feet by 13 feet by 8 feet. Yung ating computation ng BTU is 5,241.60 divided by 90 ay 9,000 is equals to 0.5824. So ang gamit natin na horsepower dyan is yung available is 0.75 horsepower. Then dito naman proceed tayo sa ating bedroom number 4, split type. And ang ating area is 13 feet by 13 feet by 8 feet. Ang ating BTU is 4,867.20 divided by 9,000 is equals to 0.5408. Ang ating horsepower is 0.75 horsepower. Then dito naman sa ating bedroom number 5, ang gamit natin is window type because sa yung nasa likod naman siya. So window type yung gamit natin. Ang area natin is 14 feet by 13 feet by 8 feet. So same lang ng area dito sa ating bedroom number 3. So So ang horsepower na gamit natin is 0.75 horsepower. So dito naman sa ating last bedroom number 6, ang gamit natin is split type. So ang area natin is 14 feet by 14 feet by 8 feet. So ang ating BTU is 5,644.80 divided by 9,000. Ang ating lumabas na computation is 0.627 ang ating horsepower na gagamitin is 0.75 horsepower pa din. So dito naman sa ating living area, ang gamit nating aircon type is floor standing type. So yung ref. Yung ating area naman dito sa ating living area is 21 feet by 14 feet by 8 feet. So ang ating BTU is 11,289.59 divided by 9,000. So ang ating lumabas dun sa computation natin is 1.254. So ang ating horsepower na gagamitin is 1.5 horsepower. Then naman last ating kitchen and dining area. So isa na lang siya. Then magkadugtong naman isang aircon unit na lang yung ating gagamitin, which is yung ceiling mounted. So ceiling mounted cassette, ceiling mounted cassette. So yung area natin is 39 feet by 15 feet by 8 feet. So yung ating BTU is 16,847.99 divided by 9,000 pa din. So yung computation natin is 1.8 or 1.87. So ang ating horsepower na gagamitin is 2.0 horsepower or 2 horsepower. So yun ang ating computation ng ating